Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into diagnostic trouble code P0336, what it means, what causes it, how to spot the symptoms, and of course, how to fix it. What is P0336? P0336 is a crankshaft position sensor circuit range or performance code. Your vehicle's engine control module, also called the ECU, relies on the crankshaft position sensor to track the rotation speed and position of the crankshaft. This sensor sends critical data used for ignition timing and fuel injection. When the signal is erratic, outside expected range, or missing pulses, the ECU throws a P0336 code. Here are some of the symptoms you might notice if your car has this code. Hard starting or no start at all. Engine misfires. Poor acceleration. Check engine light on. Rough idle. Reduced fuel efficiency. These symptoms can vary depending on how bad the sensor or signal issue is. Let's talk causes. P0336 can be triggered by a faulty crankshaft position sensor, damaged reluctor ring, chipped, misaligned, or missing teeth, corroded or damaged sensor wiring or connectors, oil contamination on the sensor, a faulty ECU in rare cases. Don't forget, P0336 may also show up intermittently, especially when the engine is hot. How to diagnose and fix. Start your diagnosis with an OBD2 scan tool to confirm the code. Then, inspect the crankshaft sensor and wiring for visible damage or corrosion. Check the connector pins for bent or broken terminals. Test the sensor's resistance with a multimeter, and compare it to spec. If you can access the reluctor ring, check for cracks or missing teeth. In many cases, replacing the crankshaft position sensor solves the problem. It's usually inexpensive and easy to replace on most cars. And that's your quick guide to DTC P0336. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car diagnostics and repair tips. Got a specific code you want explained? Drop it in the comments.